Hello, my dear viewers. I am Mr. Hamid. Today I am present to deliver another video. Today's topic is Degree of English second paper for the class 6 to 12. Now let's start with degree. Look at transformation, degree, comparison of adjective or adverb. Comparison of adjective or adverb is called degree, and the chapter degree is of transformation, which is most important grammatical chapter of English second paper. Now, classification. Number 1, positive. 2, comparative. 3, superlative. Positive structure S-S or so-S. Here example, as bright as. 2, comparative structure, comparative form plus than. For example, brighter than. 3, superlative structure, the plus superlative form. For example, the brightest. Here, bright, brighter, brightest. These are of conjugation of adjective or adverb. So, conjugation of adjective and adverb must be learnt from any grammatical book. What you have grammatical books, you must learn from those grammatical books the conjugation of adjective and adverb. Today, I am trying to make you learn the grammatical chapter degree in only 3 structures. You will be able to change the degree in these only 3 structures. Structure number 1, positive. In positive, no other. In comparative, any other or all other. In superlative, of any, of all. Example, positive. No other student is so bright as you. Here, I am trying to understand it in 4 parts. No other student. Part number 1 is, it is subject and it is verb. So bright as adjective and you, another subject. This is called first subject and this is called last subject. We know that in degree, in the sentence of degree, there are 2 subjects, first subject and last subject. Comparative, we have to change the positive form in comparative form. Here you, we see that you. Here positive you, last subject. We have to change the last subject into first you. And after you, we have to use to be verb. Is. We know that to be verb am, is, are with different persons as like as I am, we are, you are, they are, he is, she is, it is, name singular is, name plural are. Here we know that you, after you, there will be are, you are. And so bright as, brighter than, in comparative form, brighter than. No other student no other student will be any other student in comparative form. Here, any other, we know that no other, any other of any plus singular noun and pronoun. Here, after any other, we see that student singular, because after any other we have to use singular noun or pronoun. Superlative form. You. We can change it from here. You are brighter than the brightest. Any other student in superlative of any student. And we have to change it from positive. Positive, you will be there, and after you to be verb are so brightest, the brightest, and no other student of any student. Structure number 2. In positive, very few. In comparative, few other, many other, most other. In superlative, one of the. Here, positive example, very few students are so bright as he. Here you know that the word meaning of bright, brilliant. Bright means brilliant. Here I am dividing it also in 4 parts. Part number 1, 2, 3, 4. Here comparative. He, here, he is. Is for he. So brightest, brighter than. Very few, few other, many other, most other, few other. Students, student. Here, few other students, plural. Why? We know that few other, many other, most other, one of the, very few, of all other, plus plural noun and pronoun. So, very few students, plural, few other students, plural. And superlative, he is one of the. From here, one of the structure. So brightest, the brightest students. He is one of the brightest student. Structure 3. S dash S or so dash S in positive form. Comparative within bracket not. Comparative form plus then. Cross. In superlative there is no changing. Positive. I am as bright as Tom. Here, Tom will be here. M. M for I, but is for Tom. Any name, singular name is. Here is no not. So, there will be not. Isn't. So, as bright as, brighter than. I. We know that then plus subjective form, not objective form. Then plus I, not then me. Superlative cross. There is no changing in the structure. SS, so S. There is no changing in superlative form. So, dear friends, if you have any suggestion or question, please send me in comment box. And if you are benefited slightly with my video, please like, comment, share. Thank you all.